how to create a game website on Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to use Google Sites to create your very own game website. Now the game website that I am referring to is basically a website dedicated to showcase a specific game, not a website that is a game itself, so I hope it will not confuse you with our title. So we will be utilizing Google Sites over here, which is a free platform specifically made by Google themselves to help you and to assist you with creating a wonderful website. Now, Google Site is not that well known, but I have used it several times before and I know it is very capable. We could explore their different templates and galleries over here, and as you can see, they will be able to help you or assist you build decent outputs as well, or decent websites. And so in today's video, I will be showing you how to use Google Sites and how you will be able to use your own creativity, of course, and create your own game websites. So over here in Google Sites, let's click on the blank site over here and let's get started. Now this is their website editor. Right now there's nothing on our screen, but over here on the right side, this is where you will be able to see different contents that you could add onto your website. It's very simple and very easy. There are some content blocks over here, which is basically a compilation of elements already. This is a very good block or a very good section to help build your website faster and quicker. There's a lot of sections over here, such as image carousel, table of contents, collapsible groups, and many more. I could already see the different sections that are very useful for, or that are actually can be used for game showcasing. So for example, the image carousel over here, you could utilize this for image or for your image demonstration or image uploading for your different game outputs. So you could use that as well. There's also buttons, dividers, social links, which is something we will have as well. So for example, you have a Facebook link or a Steam link, which is typically someone has. So let's say Steam.com, or is it Steam powered? I think it's Steam powered. Go Steam powered. So we could copy this, we could insert this, and then you will be able to have like a link over here is or can be personalizable. You could also change the image to whatever Steam image that is or that you have. There's also placeholders, YouTube channels over here, and many more. There's a lot of elements over here that you could put together and use together to build a very decent game website. Now what I suggest that before you start building your Google site game website over here is that you go to Google and search for a game related website or website that looks like or are dedicated to showcasing games. So for example, we have this one over here, so that you have an inspiration on what type of output that you can create. And then you could use something like Figma over here to create a simple design. So let's create a simple design over here so that you could have an idea on what you are trying to get or are trying to produce. So let's go to Steam over here. Let's open a random game for now. I guess we could view this one. Let's say I want to create something similar to this. So let's try creating something similar to this. So over here, this is our section. So let's edit this one. This is a little bit too big, but actually it can be a very useful one. So let's select this. As you can see, this is a type of header that is very big. So this might not be a good type of header for you, but you guys could use this as a section to put in the image of the game that you're trying to promote or what the game website is about. So for example, you could put here the background or the cover of your game. So let's search for a game image over here. Maybe this one. Let's copy this one for the meantime. Save this as an image. And there we go. Then let's go over here. Let's try using this as our image. There we go. So maybe something like this. Then you could put in the title of your game over here. What game is this? Mad World, Age of Darkness. We could put that over here. Then you could change the size over here, or like the font. There we go. Make it bold. You could even change the size over here. There we go. Something like this. We could change the header type to be a bit small, but you could see where we're going. And then over here, these are sections where you could upload image. You could use something similar like this. You could have like a gallery section of the image, or you could utilize the image carousel that we have over here. You could add buttons. Let's say play now. And then you could add the link to the Steam powered, or the Steam link over here. There we go. Let's say I would like to put it over here. You could put it wherever you want. I placed it over here. Outline. As you can see, you can change different ways of adding it. There we go. Let's say it's over here. Let's make it filled instead. And then we could also change some alignments over here if you want to be aligned to the left or centered, or like filled just like that. So we have that. And you could add other things as well over here. Like I said, socials. Maybe you could add the link once again. And you could add maps, Google Docs, and many more. We could go to themes over here. Let's make it, or let's make our design darker over here. There's a lot of options for you to choose from over here. You can see as I can press, or as I press over here, the design would change every now and then. You could also customize your themes over here if you want. And there's also pages over here. Now right now this is the home page. If you want to create multiple pages, you could easily add them over here. Right now this home page, you could add another menu section, full page embedded, new link, or a new page. So wait, let's say a new page, or let's say a new menu section. Let's say about us. Click on done. Then it will be added over here on the top as well, as you can see. And then you could modify the content of this page right here. So let's edit this one. You could hide this or delete this as well if you want, but you will be able to edit it. And then you could add as many as you want. So let's say let's add a new page over here. Let's go with reviews. Click on done. And this is the review page over here. You could also see it, as you can see here. Then you could add the content just like how you would add the different items earlier. So let's say let's add some text box over here. Simply click it and it will be added over here. So let's say reviews and stuff like that. So you get the idea. You could go and find a website that you could use as a reference of the different things that you want to have, and then you could use that and take advantage of that and create a design that is similar, or if it's possible, as close as possible to the original. And you could easily create that through the different outputs over here. Now once you're satisfied with the design that you have, you can easily publish it by clicking on publish over here in the top right, and you could type in whatever web address that you want. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.